So welcome to Hierarchy Workshop. Today we're going to learn how to use a scraparazzie module of Python to get news from the internet. You can get any topics depending on your program. First, we need to use the pip install scraparazzie to install that module. Once this module is installed, we are going to import the module into your Python program. First, we're going to set a variable. In this case, I call it client. Client will be equals to scraparazzie.news client, and then there are several parameters that you need to make it clear. Let's say language. In this case, I use Japanese, but feel free to use English or any other kinds of languages. And here the topic. It's gonna be quite popular topic. By now, it should be coronavirus. And the location, Hong Kong. You can also specify the maximum results. Here, in this case, I use 5, but feel free to top this up to 10, 12, 20. And then I set another items to export the news. So client.export news will get those information from the internet and save that into a variable called items. And now when I print it out, you can see the result here. This is a dictionary. The feedback is a dictionary. We have title, we have source, we have link, we have the publishing date, source, etc. But you can see here the result is not actually related to COVID-19. It is somehow related to the Ukraine invasion. So let me change the topic wording a little bit. Still, Russian invasion. What about coronavirus? Here we go, let's run the code again. Now, this is coronavirus in Hong Kong. So sometimes the topic we have to use a very popular keyword in order to get the right piece of information. Now, the feedback is in dictionary form, and it's not that reader friendly. So what we're gonna do next is to give it a format, to have a reader friendly format for that result, okay? And this is what we're gonna do next. I think it's better to indicate how many pieces of news that we're gonna get. So print numbers of news plus the number. Length means the number of these items. So items will be how many news we can get, and len will send back a result of the number, and I turn that into a string str, so I can print number of news with this variable together. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna enter an empty line, insert an empty line after numbers of news, and we need to add plus, and then inside a quotation mark put the slash, then n. It stands for an empty line in Python. Then I'm gonna run a for loop to extract all the information from this variable items. Remember, it's in dictionary form, and the following code can help us to get all the information out and in a more reader-friendly format. Here I used enumerate grammar items, comma 1. 1 means that the index will start from 1. By default, it starts from 0. So the first line of information, I'm gonna write the number the piece of news is. And usually I put a space there after news, so it's more reader friendly. And second line, I'm gonna write the title, news title, same thing, column space, plus item, square bracket, title. So, because as you can remember, the result is in dictionary form. By using item and square bracket and put in title, which is the key, we can extract a value which is corresponding with the title. Then we have news organization. I got the source. Then we have the date and then the link.